Seems like a simple question, but there's a lot to unpack here. Let's start with pea gravel. Pea is a size of gravel. You know, like pea, like you eat peas? Yeah, pea gravel. That's gravel that's the size of a pea. Well, that's a golf ball, but pea. Okay, so pea gravel does not have 100% compaction because you can have river rock that's a pea gravel, which is a rounded rock, or you can have like a chat or like a limestone, same thing, that's like a pea gravel. Okay, we would call that more like a 3/8 inch, or sometimes the ice catch is what they call it at our quarry. But angular gravels allow 100% compaction. Angular gravels are what you put underneath structures. Angular gravels lock in place but still allow water to flow through. So they basically provide strength and porous space for drainage, and that's also why we use a clean gravel. So we're not looking for compaction, I'm looking for space so that the drain can allow water to flow out. And I'm also trying to keep that drainage outlet clean. So the locking of the angular gravel will keep the dirt from collapsing in and just clogging up my drain pipe. We have heavy clay soils here, so once that clay layer pushes up against that outlet, it's over. You need maximum surface area to allow the water to drain through the clay faster. And so we make those dry wells to speed up the drainage speed that our water will actually drain through the soil.